So we're here at the directory over by the Skyliner restrooms. That way is Art of Animation Hall. We got the Skyliner over here. Some convenient restrooms. And then, like I said, it takes you to Caribbean Beach, and then you transfer to Hollywood Studios, Riviera, or EPCOT. And it gives you the operating hours for today, and it starts running an hour before the park's open and stays running for 90 minutes after the park's closed. And there's maybe 2 families in front of us, and then we'll hop on.
For your safety.
It's always moving, so you have to, if you have a stroller, you have to kind of put it in at an angle and keep walking. And the door is shut, and we are off.
At a 2:05. Every number 2:05.
And it has a nice breeze. So we've got Pop Century over here on our right, Art of Animation on our left. I believe our room is like right over here somewhere. And yeah, we're just gonna cruise right on. So we decided to walk to Beach Club to enjoy this beautiful sunset. And we're gonna go inside because Jessica wants some gingerbread shingles. But yeah, we're gonna check out the gingerbread house inside Beach Club and check out the holiday decorations that they have. This is really pretty. They have the walkway. I have it wrapped with garland with some Christmas lights in it and different decorations and ornaments.
Look, they're beach inspired.
Oh yeah, they are, aren't they? Got an umbrella, starfish,
Beach bag.
That's awesome. So here it is, the gingerbread carousel, and each horse is based off of a Disney princess. And there's so much detail that goes into these as well. And every piece on here is edible. And then right here, they have all of the ingredients. Oh yeah. Jessica was pointing out at the bottom they have little Mickeys. I'm gonna try and put the camera over there as close as I can. And also on a lot of the horses there are hidden Mickeys. Let's see if we can find the one on Snow White.
432 pounds of
I don't see any on Snow White. I see a few on Belle already. One right there on the knee, and then one to the left of the Bell name tag.
I don't know if you noticed, but Tiana's horse has beignets on it.
Oh, that's awesome. It does. Tiana's horse has beignets.
Mini beignets.
So much thought goes into these. It's insane. And then over here at this podium, they have the list of all the names of everyone who worked on it. But this is just beautiful. Oh, and at the top, they have the 50th castle.
And it's 5:30 and the sun is just starting to set. We're outside Beach Club Resort. Right over there is Boardwalk. They have their lights on. Swan and Dolphin and Swan Reserve. Yacht Club. And we got Jackson and Haley.
Hey.
Have you had the best day ever?
You ready for bedtime? Gonna rock you to sleep on this swing. Hey pals.
Hey.
So we are back at the resort now. We saw the gingerbread sculpture at Beach Club. The carousel smelled really good in there. We got a few items, and Jessica's gonna show what we got.
We got some goodies. We got the gingerbread shingles.
Sparkly snowflakes.
Yeah. It shows gingerbread shingles. Super pretty. I almost don't want to eat it.
It is very pretty. See if we can get a close-up of it.
It's very thick.
Yeah, it's got the gingerbread with the chocolate icing on it. The snowflakes. Very pretty.
I'm gonna try this. Pinch off a corner. Oh, it seems like it may be chewy.
I can't tell what that face is. Is it good? Bad? Not what you're expecting?
It's not what I expected at all. It's very chewy. It's soft. If you like a soft cookie, you'll probably like this. Which I like soft cookies. I prefer a soft cookie over more than like a harder cookie like a biscuit. But I wonder if this is like dark. I'm assuming this is dark chocolate. But I don't think I've ever had like dark chocolate or milk chocolate or any chocolate on a gingerbread cookie. It's very different than I expected. I gotta get another bite just because. But like, can you see how that like works? It's like bread.
Yeah,
almost.
it looks very soft.
Yeah, it's almost like bread, and then you have the layer of chocolate. Let me try it again.
So is it good?
It's good. I would eat it. I would eat it. It's definitely shareable. Definitely shareable. It actually has a pretty good shelf life. It has like a 5-day shelf life. So like you could split it up if you wanted to have it all for yourself.
We got an Explorer down there.
Yeah. Okay, so you want to try it?
Yeah, I'll give it a try. Let's see here. Let's get this hair. Oh, that tore a lot different than I was expecting. It's very gingery, like gingerbready.
Like,
But then the dark chocolate hits, and it's like a whole different flavor.
Like, it almost made me think of like a liqueur.
Let's try another bite.
Instead of like a gingerbread cookie, it made me think of like a chocolate liqueur or something. Is what the flavor made me think of.
It's definitely different. Not what I was expecting. But I like it. It was good. That's it for tonight. This is all I'm eating.
And we also got this holiday limited edition pin. It's for Beach Club. It has Ariel and Ursula on it, and it also spins. Let's see if I can do this. Maybe. There we go. And it looks like an ornament on the side. Thought it was super cute. Thought it would be special for Jackson because we're trying to collect some memory pins for him. So one day he can start trading them if he liked to do that. And next we got some goodies. Here. This is what I'm most excited about. Because anybody who knows me knows I love ornaments with like places I go to, places we visit, things we do. They're very sentimental to me. So this is a gingerbread house that has the Disney Beach Club Resort logo on it. It also has Peter Pan, and you have the Mickey up here, and then you also have these little Mickey details. I'm sure there's some more little hidden Mickeys if I look hard enough. I don't know. But I was super excited. I know, I believe some other resorts also have these, the Contemporary, and I believe Grand Floridian. I think we're both pretty exhausted.
Yes. So ready to go to sleep.
Yeah, like we said before, this was just a spur of the moment trip. We decided last night. But yeah, I think we're gonna call it a night and start back off again in the morning.
Yeah. Breakfast at Crystal Palace. So look forward to that
Character
video.
dining. Yes.